everybody, my name's Brian, and I'm a hiking and travel guide, and your teacher let me know that you guys might actually want to come on an adventure today. I gave it some thought, and I figured that there's a good spot that I think that we can all go to. How about all the way to Cuba? Do you guys think that you could help me pick out some of the right stuff to go to Cuba with? I think first I'm probably gonna need to get my backpack. All right, well, now that I've got my backpack, I probably need to figure out what to put in it. So the first thing you should always do before going on a trip somewhere is know what the weather is gonna be like. Cuba is in the Caribbean just south of Florida. That means that it has warm weather mostly year-round. So right now, we're expecting sun and warm temperatures. So, do you guys know what I should bring? The most important thing to always remember to bring when traveling to another country is your passport. A passport is like your ticket to be able to get into other countries as well as return to the United States when you want to come home. You also always want to have your wallet and your phone with you. That way, you can call if you need help or need to talk to somebody back home. And you can buy things and pay for food or go on adventures or take a taxi ride. The possibilities are endless. You should probably also bring some different changes of clothes. All right, I've got some shorts. I've got another shirt. And I've even got a bathing suit so that I can go swimming. Because Cuba is an island, that means there's lots of beaches. Maybe we'll even go on a sailboat. And it's always important to remember sunscreen and bug spray. Maybe there's one more thing I should bring. All right, now I'm ready. Let's go to Cuba. Once we get to Cuba, we take a few taxi rides to go around the city. And be sure to keep your eyes out for all the different types of taxis that we take during our trip. Some aren't even cars. We spent some time in the city looking at all the buildings. This building is actually the Capitol building of Cuba. It is where the government does a lot of their work, and it's been around for almost 100 years now. See if you can spot the 3 different colors on the Cuban flag. And because Cuba doesn't make any of its own cars, a lot of the cars there are very old and very colorful too. Can you spot some of your favorite color cars?
Y sus mujeres en descaderado se ven tan divinas, moviendo la cola al compás de una cumbia que fascina.
When traveling to a new place, sometimes it can be difficult to find your way around. So, we had to stop and ask for some directions. Always be careful with who you ask, and make sure to do it in a public place with other people. The Cuban man gave us some great directions for a beautiful sunset, as well as some places to walk through the city at night. After we went to the city of Havana, Cuba, we made our way out to the beautiful countryside, where there are mountains, valleys, lots of trees, even caves, and farms too. Let's go explore some more. One of the mountains even has a giant painting on the side of it. See if you can spot all of the different colors. Now we're taking a horse-drawn taxi out to the countryside to go on some more adventures.
Tremendo swing que tiene Barranquilla, mira, la rumba no tiene
the mountains of Cuba, we can also find some caves. This one we're riding a boat to take through the middle of. See if you can spot the face in the rock during the boat ride.
Por eso te canto Barranquilla, mira, y te canto con mucho H. Barranquilla tiene un no sé qué.
Now get ready because we're going to take a ride on horseback to a coffee farm. In Cuba, they make a lot of their money from selling coffee. Make sure to hang on tight.
Y yo me quedo en Barranquilla, mira, Barranquilla es pa' gozar nada más. En Barranquilla me quedo. Y un homenaje sincero a Yo Arroyo, sonero barranquillero. En Barranquilla me quedo.
These ox, or male cows, help to do the work on the farm.
En Barranquilla me quedo.
And finally, we finish the trip with a ride on the sailboat along the beaches of Cuba. I hope that you enjoyed the trip through Cuba. Don't forget to make your packing list for your own adventure soon.